Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at how to create a payment method or how to create a payment platform for collecting payment online in case people are buying our products or services, or you want to collect donation, how you can collect payment online. So that's what we'll be looking at today. So the platform I will be using today is paystack.com. So if you want to log on to Paystack, just type Paystack paystack.com. Then you have this platform once you log on to paystack.com. So now what I will be showing you is how to create account. Although I have account on Paystack already, but I will just walk you through the step of creating account. So how does Paystack work? How do you create payments method and other things? We'll touch that in this particular video. But you need to know one thing about Paystack. All the payments you are going to receive, or how to create the payment method and other things, everything is completely free. It's just that you will be charged when people pay, or your customers will be charged when they try to make payment. One of those two is how you pay Paystack. You can see it's just like you are in a win-win game or win-win business. So now once you want to create account, click on create free accounts. After that, select your country. Presently, Paystack can be used in any of these three countries: Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa. But you will be wondering, oh, do you mean if people want to pay me from other countries, they can't pay me? No, they can pay you. What I'm just saying is, if you are in any of these countries at the moment, you can create Paystack account for business. So anybody can pay you from any part of the world. So now the next thing is business name. What is your business name? Don't forget, my business name, which I've been using, is Kings and Queens. Although I won't be creating this, but I will show you how to go about that later. Kings and Queens. Kings and Queens Boutique. So now the next thing is input your first name. I mean your real name now, not your business name, your main name, your original name. So my name is Nuruddin and my last name is Kamaruddin. So enter your email, Kings and Queens. Create yourself a password. Make sure the password you are creating contains any of these: lowercase, uppercase, special character, number, and the minimum of the characters that must be in your password is 8 characters. So have up to 8 characters. So because this one is lacking an uppercase, that's why it's showing this red line. If I should add an uppercase, it will automatically move away from that. So now, are you a software developer? Yes, I am. No, I am not. That is your choice to select, but I am not a software developer. The reason why I'm telling you to do this is because in case you want to make use of this platform for payment, if you are a developer, they will open some advanced platform for you. But if you are not a developer, they will open their simple platform for you. So the next thing is click on create my account. Once you do that, a message will be sent to your email account here. You will receive a message, this kind of message, immediately in your email, that welcome so person. I know you just create you are just a few steps away from so and so. Then they will ask you to activate your business. Click on this activate your business. Click on this link from your email. Then it will open another tab on your, either if you are using a mobile phone or your computer, it will open another tab. Then you will be asked to input your email address, then the password which you created here. So once you do that, the next thing, they will ask you to activate your business, so which we will go into now. So they will ask you to activate your to get your business online, because your business will appear in test mode. To get your business online, all you need to do is activate business. So you are going to click on this activate business. We call this part compliance step. Now, this compliance step means you are going to upload your ID card, your national ID card, business information, and other things. So after that, your business will be reviewed. It will go into review maybe within 24 hours. It will go into review. Then the next thing, your business will be up and running. Your account will be up and running. So the first thing is you click on activate business. Your business name will go in here. What do you do? Enter description about your business, staff size, industry. What industry fall under common physical goods? Then, is your business registered? If your business is registered, you are going to upload the legal business name, registration type. Do you incorporated your company? Is it just business name registration and other information? Government entity. If it is just business name, you will be asked to upload some information about the business and other things. But if your business is not registered, just click on starter business. Actually, I used to encourage this starter business. I encourage starter business because people, most of the time, if it is a business you've registered for a long time and you don't really have all the information available, so you may have some difficulties while trying to use a registered business. But if it is a starter business, you can collect up to 2 million naira without registered documents. Yes, you can collect up to 2 million naira without registered documents. So you can still upgrade it later. But if you want to actually use registered business, it's fine. But as this business is not registered, I'm just going to say starter business. And after that, I'm going to click on save. So once you click on save, it will go to contact. These are the steps we are going to get to. Contact. After that is after profile is contact. Then click on next. You have to save, then click on next. After that, what is your email? Put your email here. Support email. You can use the same email. But I can decide to use the one for Niger Market Villa and so on. So this put email, you can try to use the same email. If you are using one particular email, just check these two buttons. But if you have different emails for different issues, you can decide to use each of the email. Then add your phone number, add it. Then the next thing is your office address. Then after that, click on save. Then owner information. Under owner information, your name. So click on next. Now the next thing, account provider, your personal bank account, save. Once you click on save, click on activate business. There will be review about everything. Then after that, it will be approved. Now we are going to move into creating products or payment page. So what we'll be looking at next is payment pages, product, storefront, orders, invoices, and how you can withdraw your money. So I will see you in the next class after this has been reviewed and approved. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.